Hi guys, welcome to the video. I can only recommend that you use tiling window managers, and one of the things that I have changed in all of them is super tool, right? The super tool is called, let me first allow to close this one here. Super tool is arandr. It's been there for ages, right? Dus super D, arandr, that's the app, super simple app to basically tell you, this is connected to my system, that's connected to my system, but I can switch it around simply with just graphically click. And then in the middle of my screen, I have two screens. In the middle of the screen, I can't move away from my mouse. I mean, you know what I mean, right? Two screens, left, right, and I'm stuck in the middle. My mouse can't cross over. That's so annoying, right? This is, actually a video, right, for dual, triple, and quadruple guys, right, with lots of screens. So I can now move from left to right and there's no issue. Then you do the following. Of course, first of all, you save, then you say layout, save as. The folder where it's at is great. Then you put in your own name, so the whoami, that's a command in Linux. Your name where you log in with, home Erik, right? That one. If you type here Erik, save as Erik, then many of our tiling window managers do the following. They have a look, and let's open oh my chat WM. Where are my friends? Here he is. And each one has an auto start or a run or something equivalent, right? Then here it's in scripts, it's in run, and I've cleaned it a little bit up. All of the tiling window manager have a new cleaned up look, a design. Claude, of course, assisted me with that. And at the top here it says monitor layout. Apply a saved arandr, xrandr screen layout named after the current user, rather than saying a line like, if you type xrandr, it gets so complex. If you type xrandr, you get this connection, and then you need to type something, and then this is called DP1, and HDMI 2 is connected, not a 1, right? A long line that comes in here. Why not go for a simple line here that says, if it exists, the home screen layout Erik, whoami, Erik.sh, if it exists, then use it. And what's in there? An xrandr, a very complex one, but did we had to think hard about this setting? No, it was just saved, right? This one. So I suggest we do our work like this, which makes us so simple. I don't need to remember all this and start typing it or anything like primary mode and all that. It's all set. It's easy, like they say in English, easy peasy, right? So that's my approach on tiling my screens, and well, it's a suggestion, why not? Okay. So you'll find the same codes in the other tiling window managers as well, 7 of them. Cheers.